All right, let's get this started. First, we're going to start off with the daily. Um, so last week, we traded up. I think we raised. Not did we? No, we didn't. We didn't hit the this fair value. Yeah, price actually came up here. We dropped, created a gap, imbalanced, and dropped deeply retraced into this previous fair value gap, and then dropped into also this fair value gap as well, where we see price open this week with a little bit of a gap, just a small gap above, we above the closing price, and we since then, honestly, we've been trading higher up into this bullish fair value gap. So right now, I wouldn't say I have a strong bias either way. It's just more about at this point how the setup is looking, what's the near term liquidity. We're trying to in here. There's nothing too conclusive that price wants to go down unless we start rejecting price from here and start to go, for this maybe we flip this weekly the weekly opening, try to go underneath here, maybe attack these lows and these lows. But as of right now, nothing is like tremendously clear. I can't even lie. Nothing is tremendously clear right now. Then we go on a 15 minute. Let's see right here. We got on a 15-minute fair value gap right now. This price just took this high out at 8:45 right here. And yeah, I'm just curious to see how what price wants to react. You want to keep going higher or if you want maybe reject a little bit from it. But from here we got same thing, just 15 minute fair value gap. I have this right here. This is kind of like this is it for another fair value gap, 5 minutes. Honestly, maybe like if we could flip here, maybe we could also put this halfway point of the fair value gap and target for hit. Target here possibly. But there is some like I'm gonna mark this out. This is basically the price wants to try to attack these lows down here. Yeah, but right now it's just mostly just sitting on my hands, just waiting until just waiting until I get a good the setup I want. Is really what it is. But so far, this I don't really have a strong bias either way right now. So really, we're just waiting. Because if we can get above here, then maybe I'll start to look. Maybe we could come over here. But okay, they're just waiting till 9:30. So I probably won't even use this because right, I think I'll roll over my contract too soon. So you can see we're at 25,398. It's just 25,650. So honestly, I'm probably gonna just trade on just on this right here, honestly. But I might have this out as well. It's basically the same like the candles and bodies and everything is the same, just the charting and the levels are a little bit off. I don't want to like, take a trade on here. I'm looking at a certain level and then it's not the same level as you know what I mean? It's a little bit of mix of confusion. So I'm probably gonna start both charts out. But I'm probably gonna just trade on the this trading view. All right. So initially we come and take out some buy side. I mean we do take out a little small term. I guess we could do really a little small term sell side as well. We first take out buy side. Mm. Yeah, there's no way of rushing to take this out already. We about to take it out just now. And we just take it out. Yep, we took out these closing me for lows down here. You guys could probably get back on into this fair value gap. This is also there's a 5 minute fair value gap right in here, right here. This is also overlapping with this one. So the first presented fair value gap is right here. Right out.
Order filled. Order submitted.
If there's any continuation to the downside on this first presented fair value gap right here. Price is touching it, came back up. Okay, that's fine. But I do want to see some type of weakness right now on price. Mhm. I don't think it's a bad trade. You know, we can't take our high drop, trade the first presenter. Even though we take out liquidity, yes, there's still more. This is a very short-term liquidity. We still have this right here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Like that. I took a small little one. In my target, I don't want to do much more than that. I'm okay with that right there. Got a small 1-to-1 right there. Call it a day.